Hey there, Facebook users. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of allowing Facebook to use your camera. Whether you want to capture moments or engage in interactive features, enabling camera access is essential. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head over to the Play Store. Simply open the Play Store app and type Facebook. In the search bar, look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, and then hit the Install button. Once it's downloaded, open the app and sign into your account. Step 2. On the Facebook app home screen, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on it, and the side menu will appear. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to expand the options. Step 4. Within the expanded menu, continue scrolling down until you reach the Your Activities section. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 5. Now within the Your Activity section, tap on Device Permissions. Step 6. Among the listed permissions, locate and tap on Camera. Step 7. You'll see an option to update the settings. Tap on it. Step 8. This will open your device settings specifically for app permissions. Scroll down until you find App Permissions and tap on it. Step 9. Among the listed app permissions, search for Camera and tap on it. Step 10. Finally, you'll see a few options related to camera access. To allow Facebook to use your camera while using the app, tap on Allow while using the app. And voila, you've successfully granted Facebook permission to use your camera. Now you can take and share photos, go live, and enjoy various interactive features seamlessly. That's all for today's video. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.